If you're looking to turn off notifications for BMO Bank, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your notification settings effectively. Step 1. Open the BMO app. Launch the BMO Bank app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you are in the app, locate the Settings menu. This is usually represented by a gear icon or found in the Profile section of the app. Step 3. Find Notification Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Notifications or Notification Settings. Tap on this option to view your current notification preferences. Step 4. Adjust notification preferences. In the notification settings, you will see various types of notifications you can manage. Toggle off the notifications you wish to disable, such as transaction alerts, promotional messages, or account updates. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your preferences, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button at the bottom of the screen to confirm your new settings. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off notifications on your BMO Bank app. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to BMO customer support.